There was a white SUV that was pinned underneath the transport truck, and there was an older gentleman in the front that was driving. He was in a bit of a rough shape. There was a mother in the front, and there was two small girls in the back.
It was a terrible pileup that sent 7 people, including 2 children, to hospital and closed the QEW for hours today. Now, in this City News exclusive, we speak to the 3 Metrolinx employees who, heading the other way, didn't hesitate in stopping to help those in need.
We couldn't believe what we were seeing. All the westbound lanes were stopped, and there was just carnage everywhere.
Dean Bragg, Sean Jeffrey, and Andy Simone, health and safety inspectors with Metrolinx, were heading back to Toronto from a construction site in Burlington when they saw the pileup that involved a transport truck and at least 5 vehicles. With no emergency crews yet on the scene, the 3 men stopped their vehicle in the opposite direction, hopped the median, and Simone says they let their decades of training take over after that.
We get trained as health and safety professionals to just react properly to the situation, calm, reserved. And when we went to the site, these 2 went at the vehicles, and I helped stop traffic.
I didn't get past the first vehicle. Once we got over the median, I stopped to assess the first one and found that there was the dad in the front and the boy trapped in the back. And once I'd seen that, I couldn't go any further.
Jeffrey says he calmed the boy down along with his father, assessed the 12-year-old's injuries, and then kept others away who wanted to get him out of the vehicle until rescue crews could arrive and do it properly. The boy was taken by helicopter to Sick Kids. Initially, he was listed in critical condition, but we were able to let the men know that he had been upgraded to serious.
When I spoke to the OPP officer and asked if we were good to go, if they needed any more assistance, she said no. I kind of felt like I just wanted to stick around. I wanted to know what was going on and wasn't sure that I'd get that update.
Another child and 5 adults also went to hospital, but thankfully they are all expected to be okay. Here's a question. I know it's somewhat. Do you guys think you're heroes?
No, definitely not. We just did what everyone else did that day. That was it.
Yes, there was an off-duty nurse and fireman on scene. So there's a lot of people that wanted to stop and help provide blankets and water and help calm everybody down that was panicked. So, and we're all fathers here. When you see children in vehicles, and it's first responses is to get there and get them out.
Now, police are still investigating, but believe distracted driving may have been a factor in the collision, which closed the highway for hours.